You've heard the media narrative about Alex Prety, the legal gun owner shot by federal agents in Minneapolis. But here's the question no one wants to ask. Did he use marijuana? We don't know. And the fact that no one is telling us is precisely the point. Under federal law, marijuana users are prohibited from possessing firearms. Period. Doesn't matter whether it's medical. It doesn't matter whether it's legal in your state. Federally, it's disqualifying. Now look at Minnesota. Minnesota requires officials to disobey federal law. They are required to sell guns and give carry permits to marijuana users. So in Minnesota, you can legally carry inside a pot shop. And it's not the first time this has come up. Remember the shooter at Ascension Catholic School, Westman? He had worked in a marijuana dispensary shortly before the attack and was wearing a t-shirt advertising the fact when he bought his murder weapon. His firearms were also reported as purchased legally. But were they? We support gun rights, and the medical connection between marijuana and violence is not clear. But if federal law says marijuana users cannot possess firearms, and Minnesota chooses not to cooperate in enforcing that, then the state is deliberately ignoring a safety filter that Congress put in place. Where's that abundance of caution Democrats always say we need? And when an individual like Pretti aggressively confronts law enforcement while armed, spitting, kicking vehicles, demanding escalation, it's entirely legitimate to ask, were they legally armed under all applicable laws, or did Alex Prety use marijuana? In a state that shields marijuana users from firearm scrutiny, that's the responsible question. The 10th man says if you're going to claim moral high ground on public safety, you don't get to ignore the parts of federal law that are just inconvenient.